Hello everyone, now we are going to solve the questions based on the whirling of the shaft. The question is given that the critical speed of the rotating shaft depends on. Now, what is critical speed or whirling speed? We know that critical speed is also known as whirling speed. And what is the formula of the whirling speed? We have seen whirling speed or critical speed. Critical speed that is equal to omega n, that is equal to under root of s upon n. So you can see the formula of the critical speed or the whirling speed that depends on the stiffness as well as the mass. There is no dependency on the eccentricity. So that's why the answer is option C. Option C would be the correct answer. Okay. There is no dependency on eccentricity, so this is wrong answer. However, the whirling speed means the speed of the shaft. Why it is equal to natural frequency? Because this is the speed which is take place at the resonance condition. So at resonance, we know that at resonance omega is equal to omega n. So basically the speed is this, but it is equal to omega n at the resonance, or we know that resonance is the conditions where there is a destruction of the shaft. So completely shaft is going to be broken. So this is the critical speed. Okay, this is the critical speed, and the unit is radian per second. So I hope you understand this solution of this question. Thank you.